Southwick, a little bit noisy, but yeah, we're first today, so that's a little bit of a switch up, smoother track, and probably help out here at Southwick. It gets rough, obviously, so yeah, it'll be different, and speeds will be a little bit higher, but yeah, overall looking forward to it. Had a good 2 weeks in the sand and practicing for this, so ready to get after it today. Misty first qualifiers, but yeah, that's where the times come from. So got a P1 by like a 10th. It was close, and the B guys are always going fast here, so I only beat them by like 2/10. So it was all really close, and yeah, we'll take this next one to kind of figure out some lines and bike setup a little bit going into the motos, and then yeah, try to get a good start and go.
Pretty good. I wasn't able to get one full super clean lap in. I kind of ran into guys in my qualifier, so it is what it is. I think I'm sitting in 5th right now, which will be fine. Here, it's always slower in the second practice, so now it's time just to go learn the track more, find the right flow, get ready for the motos.
Yeah, Southwick, always a tough one on the body and everything, but yeah, so far so good. Weather's great, a little misty out. Did first practice. A lot of mistakes for me. Need to clean some stuff up, and but yeah, overall it's good to be here. I haven't been here in like 4 years. These New England fans are always rowdy, so we're looking forward to a fun day.
Yeah, we're feeling pretty good. Feeling like usual. So yeah, excited for today. It's always good to ride the sand wells, so we're happy with it. Bike's feels pretty solid, so. Hopefully we can keep the momentum going and have a good day.
So far so good. Qualified P3 and P6, second session, so feel comfortable, feel good. Put some extra work in this last couple of weeks. Been enjoying riding the sand. We've made some adjustments to the bike, got healthy, so I feel like I have like manufactured momentum going into this round, if that makes sense. Like it's not necessarily, you know, from results or anything and how the race has been going, but I feel personal momentum, and that's huge. So excited for the races.
Yeah, not bad. We set some decent laps, and we got a good, decent starting gate position, I think. So it's best of the year so far. So hopefully we can, you know, get it inside that top 10 both motos, and if I could be in, you know, 7 to 8, I'd be pumped with that. So just trying to build every weekend and just getting a little bit better, and just trying to, you know, progress. I haven't raced outdoors in a while, so just trying to get better.
Are you vibing with the sand at all today?
Yeah, the sand feels good, and yeah, it's gonna be a dig, but I'm ready for it.
Feel good. Feels good to be back at Southwick. I haven't raced here since 2021, so it's been quite a while. The fans here are always cool. Track's always fun. 9th in my session, 12th overall. B practice. I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty jealous. That track looked a lot of fun. Even though it was fun for us, for the B practice, it was an extra cherry on top. So it was, you know, good to do. Stoked with my riding and just wanted to keep building, and yeah, at the end of the day, keep it fun today. So let's do it for the New England folks around here.
Feeling better than last weekend, honestly, and it's probably my best qualifying. Yes, I got P19th overall, and I think P16 in the second qualifying. So feel good on the track, getting better, get some adjustments on the track, and honestly find like my flow a little bit. So I think we should be good for the motos. Just need to stay clean and calm, patient in the sand. So
how was the prep during the week?
It was good. It was a lot of sand. It was a lot of sand track last week. Yeah, so just good. I think we're ready to go. Just need to stay patient and got a good start and just stay clean and don't get caught up with to somebody, so I think it should be good.
Yeah, not bad. Qualifying for, is the first 3 laps of the first practice, and I stalled it on the one open track I got, so I kind of blew my qualifying. And but besides that, like, riding's better. I feel good in the sand. We got a good sand track at club, so we've got a lot of riding in the sand, so I feel comfortable with the dirt. I'm not fighting the bike as much, and yeah, just looking to get a decent start and just fighting the sand.
Feeling good. Being from California, not really used to all the sand, but always have a good time out here. I feel like the bike setup's good. Got a fast bike this year, so I feel like if we can get off to a good start, it should be good.
I feel good today. We worked on some starts during the week and found a better setting, so I'm looking forward to having 2 good starts today and having a good showing.
What did you guys do for prep during the week to prepare for Southwick?
We just rode this dust bowl behind our house in Elsinore, so nothing much we can do out in California compared to this, so we did the best we can and should be good.
Let's go racing, live from Southwick. Eli Tomac is back in 11th, the multi-time champion. He's so good at this track, he has work to do.
Eli made a lot of passes early, Jason. We said he was outside the top 10. For him to be up making moves, that's a good sign to see the number 3. I love here at Southwick, when you see the opportunity, you got to really strike on it, because again, vision, it becomes a problem here. You can hear that Yamaha, Eli Tomac wide open going. He knows what time it is.
Are up. Gates down. Well, he's certainly got the launch this time. Deegan has that first whole shot of the year. Deegan starting to get away. He's got an 8-second lead. So now the battle shifts to second. Mosiman, who is quick in qualifying and has really been building throughout this Pro Motocross Championship, running well in second in the 93. Deegan has the experience right now, the one you want out front, because this is exactly what they want to see with the big gap. Another checkered flag, another moto win for Haiden Deegan. What happens this time? Revs are up. Gates down. J-Coop though, he's hanging it out. No cruise for J-Coop though. He is powering down to try to get Prado. Revs are up. Gates down. Unreal start out of the box for Deegan.
What a great start, man. It's a great feeling. You get a little whip over just to let Tommy out know, just close him off. And man, hey, Deegan's out front again. Let's see what it is. But
Deegan there in the bottom box. Gap is 8 seconds over Shimoda as we continue to watch. They want it to be rough because that's the legacy of this place. And only the strong can survive. And there have been very few doubts of the strength of Haiden Deegan, building a legacy of his own in the 250 class. Deegan 1-1 at Southwick 2025.
Yeah, beautiful day. I'm happy with it. I needed to get a 1-1 at Southwick. I feel like this might be the last outdoor season on 250, so I'm like, I got to get a 1-1 at the most brutal track on the circuit. So we did it. I'm amped, and yeah, just keep on digging throughout these weeks, and hopefully it'd be nice to make it where these guys are battling for second every weekend only. So I think four wins in a row right now. So we're happy. We're happy.
It was a solid day. Of course, came in third both motos. The first moto, I was behind a little bit and had to make some moves, make some passes. Of course, to get into third. You know, it was an okay moto, and went into Moto 2 with a small change to the motorcycle. Actually improved some things, but maybe gave up a little bit elsewhere. But either way, today I just didn't quite have the pace that the first two had there. So always love riding Southwick, trying to surf the sand, and yeah, third is what we had today.
Cool. Redbud, you looking forward to it, right?
Yeah, Redbud, totally looking forward to. I'm coming to a group of tracks that I really enjoy. I mean, of course I got third here today at Southwick, but I love racing this track at Southwick, Redbud, Millville. It's all tracks I'm looking forward to.